When I feel a whisper near my ear, trying to bring me fear, I remember what I should say and send him far away. He is bad, don't listen to him. Push his whispers out and win. Say it strong, don't be afraid. Good choices are the path we made. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. He whispers lies, he tries each day to pull our hearts the wrong way. But I know what I must do. Turn to Allah, strong and true. Close my heart, I walk away. I choose the right, I choose to pray. He is bad, don't listen to him. Push his whispers out and win. Say it strong, don't be afraid. Good choices are the path we made. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. When I'm angry, when I'm mad, when I feel a thought is bad, I stop, I breathe, I say it loud. I stand for good, I feel so proud. Allah helps me every time, keeps my heart so clean and fine. He is bad, don't listen to him. Push his whispers out and win. Say it strong, don't be afraid. Good choices are the path we made. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Now I know what I should do when bad whispers come through.